Good morning, children. So today we will try to do some questions from the exercise 2.2. So whatever we learned till today, so we are trying to we are going to try all the things here. So here is the first question: find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Okay. So here one quadratic polynomial is there. So first, what we have to do? We have to find out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. After that, we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. मतलब zeros निकालेंगे, उसके बाद verify करेंगे और जो relationship था हमारा relationship between zeros and coefficient उसको verify means whether our answer is correct or not. We have to verify it. Okay, so let's try to find the zero of this polynomial. Okay, now first of all we have to factorize this one. This is a quadratic polynomial. So how by splitting the middle term method. So by splitting the middle term method, we factorize this one, and after that we find out the zeros. Okay, so let us do this question. So x square x square, so I am splitting the middle term, so x square minus 4x plus 2. So here x is common here, so x minus 4. So here 2 is common, so x minus 4. So now what is common here? X minus 4, then x plus 2. So this is the factorization of this quadratic polynomial, and these two are the factors. Now we find out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Zeros are x minus 4 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 4. So one zero of this polynomial is 4, and another zero, let us try to find. X plus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 2, and the second zero is minus 2. Now we try to find out the sum and product of these two zeros. So what is the sum? Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is what? 4 minus 2, so is equal to 2, and product of the zeros is 4 into minus 2, so is equal to minus 8. So we got sum of the zeros is 2 and product of the zero is minus 8. Okay. So these are the zeros and these are the sum and product. Okay. Again, we know the relationship between zeros and coefficients that we have learned in our previous class. If alpha and beta are the zeros, अगर इसको हम अल्फा पकड़ते हैं, इसको बीटा पकड़ते हैं, अल्फा और बीटा अगर zeros होता है तो सम क्या? What is the sum? So alpha plus beta means sum. Sum alpha plus beta. Let us try to find this one. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. So without doing this calculation now, by the relationship between zeros and coefficient, we will try to find out the sum here. Okay, so minus b by a. So b is what here? 2, minus 2. So it is equal to minus sign is already there, then minus 2, then a. What is a here? A is 1. So 1. So we will get 2 by 1, so it is equal to 2. Okay. So you see, here also I am getting the sum 2. Here also by as usual method we are also getting the sum what 2. Okay. Means this is the verification. Okay. Means we are getting the same answer. Okay. Then product. Product is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is c by a. So what is C here? C is minus 8 and A is 1. So minus 8 by 1. So is equal to minus 8. You see, in both the cases we are getting the same answer. This one I am doing by finding the zeros, okay? And here I am finding the sum and products without finding the zeros, okay? Means here also I am getting the same answer. Here also I am getting the same answer. The sum and products means our answer is correct. Hence very correct. So and verify the relation. So this is the verification. Okay. Whenever you will get such type of question, you have to do like this and like this. Okay. So this is the first question. So let us try to do some more questions related to this topic. The second question is 4s squared minus 4s plus 1. So here coefficient, here the variable is s. Okay, again same process we have to do. We have to find out the factors. Then after that zeros. Then after that we will find out the sum. Then after that we will see the relationship, verification of relationship. So let us try to this one. So 4s squared on the 4. So it is minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. Okay. I am factorizing by using the splitting the middle term method. So here what is common here? 2 common and s is common. So 2 then s squared. This is s minus 1. So here what is common? Minus common, so twice s minus 1. Okay. So now what is common here? What is common? 2s minus 1. So 2s minus 1. Then here, sorry, this is 1 is common here. 2s minus 1. Okay. Now let us find out the zeros. Zeros is equal to 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, 2s is equal to 1, s is equal to 1 by 2. This is the first zero, and the second zero, same only we will get 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, 2s is equal to 1, s is equal to 1 by 2. So, in this question, we got the zeros 1 by 2 and another zeros 1 by 2. So, now let us find out the sum. What is the sum of these zeros? Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So is equal to 2. 1 plus 1. So it is 2 by 2. So is equal to 1. Sum we got 1. Now product of the zeros. Now product of zeros. Product of the zeros is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So we got sum of the zeros 1. Sum and the product of the zeros is 4. Now we will find out the sum and product by that relationship. Okay. So, if alpha and beta are the zeros, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, so sum alpha plus beta is how much? Yes, alpha plus beta. Yes, it is minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So, what is alpha here? Alpha is this one, beta is this one. So, let us suppose. Now, without doing this calculation, we can find out now. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. B is what here? Minus 4. So, is equal to minus already there, then minus 4. And what is a here? A is 4. So, is equal to 4 by 4. So, is equal to So sum we got 1. Again, product of the zeros. Product of zeros. Product of the zeros is alpha into beta is equal to c by d. What is c here? C is 1 and what is a? 4. 1 by 4. I am getting the same answer. Here 1. Here also I am getting same 1. Here 4. Here also I am getting 4. So hence 4. So like that we can verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial. Alright. Now again try to do more questions. Now question number 3. This one I will not do. Okay, this question is homework for you. But I will give you some little hint. 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x. Okay. Now you can tell me what is the problem here in this question. Method is same. You will find out the factors and after that zeros. Then after that you will verify the relation. Now some problem is there in this question. Can you tell me what is the problem here? Yes, this question is not in standard form. So you know what is the standard form of a quadratic polynomial? Ax squared plus bx plus. See, this is the standard form or not? Now you see whether this question is in standard form or not. You see, this is not in standard form. So first of all, you make this in question in standard form. So 7 square minus 7x. You keep just change the order and minus 3 here. Now it is in standard form. Now you can do this question by splitting the middle term method for finding the zeros, and after that you can verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Okay, this question is for question you can you do at your home, and please send me the solution in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so and I will check it whether your answer is correct or not. Now let us go to the next question. That is question number 4. Question number 4. 4u squared plus 8u. Okay, 4u squared plus 8u. Here constant term is missing. It is very easy to solve this question. No need for going for splitting the middle term. Many students ask me, sir, how to solve this question? Here constant term is missing. Okay, this is very easy. You can take out u as common and 4u as common. So no need to go for splitting the middle term method. You see what you do, but you can factorize this one by taking the common factors. What is common factors here? 4 is common, then u is common. So it is u plus 4 to the 8u plus 2. Finish. So these are the factors. So one factor is 4u, another factor is u plus 2. Alright. Now find the zeros. Zeros are 4u is equal to 0. So u is equal to 0 by 4. So is equal to 0. And another one is u plus 2 is equal to 0. Then u is equal to minus 2. So this is the zeros of this polynomial. So now let us try to find out the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Now sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. What? 0, 0 minus 2. So it is equal to minus 2. And product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. Product of the zero is 0 into 2 minus 2. So it is equal to 0. So we got when product of this quadratic polynomial, this one minus 2 and 0. Now, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial, let us try to find out the sum by using that relationship. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay? So minus b. What is b here? B is 8. So minus 8a. What is a? A is 4. So ultimately what will get? Minus 2. 4 to the 8. Minus 2. I'm getting the same answer? Okay. Now again, product of the zeros, alpha, beta. What is the product? Product of the zeros is what? C by a. Now you see in this question whether C is there, this is A, this is B and this is C. C is not there, C is missing. So in place of C, if C is missing, if any term is missing here, so you suppose that one is 0. So here C is not there. So in place of C, what you can write? You can write 0. Then A. What is A here? A is 4. So is equal to 0. I am getting the same answer, you see, minus 2, 0, 0. So hence verify. So like this we can solve this type of question. Alright. Again, 2 questions are left. That 2 questions I am keeping for you as homework. Alright. So after that we will go to the question number 2 and we will try to do some questions related to question number 2. So question number 2 is find a quadratic polynomial when sum product is given. तो आपको क्या करना है अभी इस क्वेश्चन में? What you have to do? You have to form a quadratic polynomial. So you will already learned about that one. Find a quadratic polynomial when sum and product is given. आपको क्या दिया रहेगा? Sum दिया रहेगा और product दिया रहेगा दो zeros का. तो उसके बाद आपको क्या फॉर्म करना है? What you have to do? You have to form a quadratic polynomial. Okay. So the first one is 1. Question number 1. Sum is given 1 by 4 and product is minus 1. Okay, sum is given. So no need to find out the sum separately, no need to find out the product separately. It is already given in the question. Okay, so now how we can find? You know already. I told you in my last class how to form a quadratic polynomial. X square minus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros. Alright. So now put the values here. So x square minus sum of the zeros. What is sum of the zeros here? Sum is given 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 x plus, what is the product of the zeros? It is minus 1. Minus 1. So it is equal to x square minus 1 by 4 x minus 1. So first of all, I told you earlier, it is easy for you. We make it an equation. Okay. After equation, you form quadratic polynomial. Then it will be a little bit easy for you. So first of all, you make it an equation. It means equate to 0. Okay. So I will equate to 0 this one. Okay. Now 4, this is 4x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So if you transpose 4 here, it will become 4 into 0, 0. So it becomes 4x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now it become a quadratic equation. Okay, it become an equation. So our question is we need a quadratic polynomial. So simply what we can write, now the quadratic polynomial is just simply you write this one, no need to equate with 0. So 4x square minus x minus 4. So this is the answer. So like this you can find out the quadratic polynomial if sum and products of the zeros is given. And it is not necessary that every time you will get sum and product. Sometimes zeros will be given and you have to form a quadratic equation. That things we have discussed in our last class. Please go to that videos. You will get about this, how to form a quadratic polynomial if zeros are given. Here sums are given and products are given. But sometimes what will happen, you will get zeros. In that case, you have to find out the sum separately and you have to find out the product separately. Okay, this is the first question. Easy. It is very easy question. Definitely, sometime you may get 1 marks questions in your board examination. Okay. So let us try to do some more 1 or 2 questions. It is very easy. Remaining questions you can do at home also. I am just giving out the hints how to do the problems. So root 2 1 by 3. This is sum and this is product. Sum is root 2 and product is 1 by 2. So similarly we can do, we know how to form quadratic polynomial. Sum of zeros x plus product of zeros. X square minus sum, what is sum here? Root 2x plus what is product of the zeros? This is 1 by 3. So you make it equation first. Okay, it will be easy for you. Equation बनाना पहले उसके बाद ये करना. So remove this 3 from here or removing. So this 3x square minus root 2x 3 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So transpose this 3 to that side, we will get 3 into 0, 0. So 3x square minus root 3 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Now the quadratic polynomial is quadratic polynomial is equal to 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. So this is the quadratic polynomial. So हमने just now we have completed this one. The remaining questions you can do at home, and you send me your answers in my WhatsApp number so that I can check it and return back to you. So one request or one appeal to my dear students, you know in which situations we are going through now. The whole world is suffering. Definitely we will come up from this pandemic situation one day. I am sure we will come up. Don't know when the school will reopen. We are waiting for the government orders. As part of our order of the government, we will reopen our school. And secondly, to minimize the academic loss of yours, we have arranged these classes with a minimum resource in our hand. You know where we are staying. So with the availability of minimum resources, we are trying to provide you the best. Okay, so many anomalies are there, no doubt, in the videos. Some video qualities are poor, and then your sound is not quality is poor. So in spite of all the things, we are trying to provide you the best. Okay, dear students, it is my request to all of you, please don't spend these valuable times unnecessarily. Spend your few valuable times for study purpose also. So we are just just going to complete this chapter. Only few things are remaining. One division algorithm is remaining. Okay. After that we will finish. The one chapter is going to finish. So if you see all my videos from first to last, आपको सब क्लियरली समझ में आएगा. मैंने वेरी सिंपल तरीका से सब वीडियोस बनाया है, so that you can understand it. Alright, and please stay at home and avoid unnecessary outing. Okay, thank you very much. Please wait for my second video that I am going to upload tomorrow. Thank you very much.